Welcome to Hawken Mech Mechanics featuring the Rocketeer. The Rocketeer is a defense-focused heavy mech that specializes in explosive, enemy-seeking weaponry. You'll find the Rocketeer to be a formidable mech in almost any mid- or long-range situation. Every Rocketeer comes equipped with a tactical secondary weapon called the Hellfire missiles. The Hellfire shoots 2 swarms of targeted missiles at any designated destination. You can lock onto targets with the Hellfire by pressing the middle mouse button before firing. This causes your missile salvos to home to the locked target. There's nothing more satisfying than taking out a locked target from around a corner. Be aware that Hellfire also lock on to enemy equipment. Rocketeers also come with a primary weapon called the Seeker. The Seeker is a rapid-fire missile launcher with modest seeking abilities. To have a Seeker missile track an enemy, fire your Seeker when an enemy is directly within your crosshair. Combine the Seeker's high rate of fire with the Hellfire suppression to create a strong deterrent to enemy movement. Keep playing your Rocketeer and you'll get access to the EOC repeater. This primary weapon fires a trio of pucks designed to stick to terrain and explode on enemy contact. Load extra pucks by holding down the fire button. Its slow flight time makes this weapon hard to use, but it can be tremendously effective in the hands of a skilled pilot. Pilots who master the Rocketeer get access to the Heat Cannon, a primary weapon that fires high-speed explosive rockets. Charge it and release to create a bigger, faster, more deadly impact. Keep in mind that the EOC and the Heat Cannon cannot be charged while boosting, but can be charged while dodging or hovering. Use this knowledge to your advantage. Pressing the F key transforms the Rocketeer into its heavy turret mode. While in this state, the Rocketeer is extremely slow, but its heavy shields provide increased damage resistance, and improved targeting mechanisms allow for auto-locking Hellfires. This turret ability is great for situations when your team has the high ground. The standard offensive item on the Rocketeer is the Rocket Turret. Press the R or 1 key to deploy a destructible turret that automatically fires missiles at enemy mechs. When defending an area, take along the Radar Scrambler. This deployable destructible device causes enemy radar to go haywire, masking your movement with false positives. Use the Radar Scrambler alongside your other tools to create effective traps. Now that we've shown you the basics about the Rocketeer, here are some tips to help you achieve victory. The key to playing the Rocketeer is suppression. Find a location with a good, long line of sight and fire, fire, fire. Any approaching enemy will fall prey to your superior splash damage. When your team is controlling an objective, transform into turret mode and team up with your favorite technician. If teammates are blocking your lane of fire, try hovering. If you're having trouble landing shots with your Hellfire, lock on and fire up into the air. Hovering before firing helps too. If you find yourself in close quarter combat, the trick is to avoid locking on and shoot at the enemy's feet. The trick to defeating a Rocketeer is to get as close to them as possible. Rocketeers have to lead their shots, so circle strafe around the Rocketeer, staying out of their line of sight. Rocketeers are often focused on a single long sightline, so approach them from a flanking position. You'll know when Hellfire are headed your way if your visor is flashing the word incoming. This gives you a split second to dodge their blast. Keep moving and victory will be yours. We'll see you and your Rocketeer on the battlefield.